Have you ever wondered how much a smartphone truly enhances your daily routine? From capturing memories to managing tasks, these pocket-sized devices have transformed into essential tools in our lives. Enter the Realme C51, a device that promises to be more than just a communication tool. It's an experience wrapped in sleek design and packed with features that cater to both tech enthusiasts and everyday users. First, focus on the camera quality. The Realme C51 boasts a multi-lens system that captures stunning photos with clarity and vibrant colors. Whether it's a sunset or a spontaneous selfie, the camera's dynamic range and depth control bring out the best in every shot. Moving on to battery life, a critical feature for anyone on the go. The Realme C51 comes equipped with a powerful battery that can last through a day of heavy use. Think about it, no more searching for power outlets at every stop. This phone keeps up with your bustling schedule without breaking a sweat, ensuring you stay connected wherever your day takes you. What about the processor speed? The Realme C51 is powered by an advanced chipset that ensures smooth, efficient performance. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking between apps, this phone handles it all with remarkable ease. Now consider the user interface. The Realme C51 features a clean, intuitive interface that makes navigation a breeze. Customizations are just a few taps away, allowing you to tailor the device to fit your style and needs. It's all about creating a seamless interaction that feels as natural as flipping through a magazine. To wrap up, the Realme C51 stands out for its impressive camera, enduring battery life, blazing fast processor, and user-friendly interface. This phone isn't just about meeting expectations, it's about exceeding them, offering a rich, efficient, and enjoyable experience that enhances every part of your day. The Realme C51 isn't just another smartphone, it's a gateway to a more connected and efficient lifestyle. Whether you're a tech aficionado or someone who appreciates reliability and style, this device promises to be a worthy companion in the fast-paced digital world.